Hey guys, I'm Lynzie Kent from Crazy Beautiful Weddings, and today I'm going to show you how to get the look for an edgy, geometric-inspired wedding. At Sandy and Jeff's wedding, we used geometric shapes in a million different ways. We had geometric terrariums filled with candles, geometric pendants hanging from the chandelier. Shapes were everywhere. To make these geometric shapes, you won't need very many supplies, only 3. You'll need straws in any color that you'd like, a thin gauge wire, and a pair of scissors. So begin to lay out your shape and cut a long piece of wire. Now you'll simply bead them on as if you were beading a necklace. And at each corner, you'll start attaching your new straw pieces. Wrap the wire around one of the corners and secure it in place by simply twisting the wire and tying it off. Bead your first one on. The last step is to add on the top portion. The steps that we just did on this side, we need to repeat on this side. And there you go, your shape is done and ready to be included into any tablescape. If you want to have an edgy, cool, funky wedding, why not look at some geometric stuff and see how you can incorporate it into your decor? For more wedding inspiration, go to bemakeful.com.